To my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to make drone. So collect all these equipments, every electronic parts. Then first connect the ESC as shown here to the base plate. Connect the battery connector too. Then mount the upper frame as shown. Make sure you keep the wire inside. Then this is your base frame after connection. Okay. Then mount the upper plate and then mount the motor on the edge. Connect all the ESCs to the motor and make sure this pattern follows. To check each motor, use this circuit diagram and test with the transmitter. It could be vice versa also, don't worry, but two motors should be in same direction. So this is clean diagram. Now take flight controller, remember these pins and mount this on the frame as shown here. So keep the direction of flight controller in proper way. So there is arrow. I zip tied everything. Then I mounted the receiver and receiver connection is like this. So you can pause it and watch. I connected the motor wire and then battery and ready to fly. So let's switch on. Okay, you heard the sound. Okay, this is my remote controller which I will use to control that remote. So after I turn this on, so it will show the icon of receiver on this screen. You can see. Keep this stick down. Okay, down. Everything else up. Okay, if you do this one down, it will show here. So keep everything other up. Only this will be down. Okay. So this is FlySky i6. So I'll turn it on. I have connected the battery. So you see here it shows receiver and transmitter. Transmitter is this one. Receiver is on that drone. This one. Okay, this part. So it is paired already. So it is showing the receiver option. So I will check if there is any error on the drone. Then I will show you the demo. There is no error. So now to arm that drone, I have to pull these stick on. This one stick down here and this one down here. Okay, both at once. Okay, you will see beep sound there. Okay, it is armed. You can see there is ticking. Okay, you can see red light is blown. It also says armed. Okay, this says armed. Okay, armed. Now it is beeping again. So I will turn this. Okay, pulling this off will rotate the blades. Okay, you can see. I will not try it here. Okay.